viewers, welcome to another episode of Quick Tips. Some of my Portuguese guys, friends, may recognize this place here. This may seem just a garage, and it was. This was the first place where I started my work, my homework, that I no longer do. I used to have here a table, some oil drums, the compressor, and I basically worked in here and outside. It was a lot of fun. Now I am here because I still don't have a vise in my place, in my home, and my father has one. And I'm going to use it to show you how to replace or to maintain the upper bushers for your upper control arm for the Alfas 156. Now this is a shed, just a shed with the chickens and the dogs and whatever. But I have what I need. This is a vise that I need for this job. And also, I need a big screwdriver to insert on the center part of this bushing. Now, you don't want to take out the center part first, but yes, you have to take out everything together. It's much easier. In this way, you have something to grab onto on your screwdriver. And voila. Now, this is much more difficult on the newer ones, but it is like this. It is the way to take out these center bushings. And next, we are taking out the center part. Now, it may not seem like it, but this outer bushing is actually made of metal with vulcanized rubber in the outside and on the inside. And what I do, I try to put them just like this on the vise, to be just touching on the vise. Put something on the top, hammer it, and voila. So easy. Now, what do you want to do? First, you have to understand these bushings here are not, these two parts are not vulcanized with each other. They must slide with a special synthetic grease. It cannot be petrol-based, oil-based grease because this rubber will perish. So you want to put the grease on the inside of this bushing, in here, on the hole, to allow these two surfaces to slide very, very easily. And don't do that noise. And now you want to, if you want, you can put the rest on here just to slide it better. You have to take your two parts, go on the vise, and press it together. The center part, the outer part, and the upper control arm, everything together at once. Okay, it is a little bit, it's missing a little bit more, but when you have your long bolt, you can tighten everything, or you can put some part inside here, or try to do it in some different ways. Look at that. And it's on. It's done. Just to finalize here, one last thing that I want to talk to you about. If you have play on this ball joint, obviously this arm is completely, this upper control arm is completely garbage. But if you happen to found it on time, if it does not have a lot of play, like this one, this is very light, but it does not have a little bit of play. But imagine it does not have a lot of play. If you happens to have a torn boot, like this one, like this is, remember to save an older but good rubber boot, like this one. This is an old one. Put some grease on here, clean everything inside, put some synthetic grease. Don't forget, this ball joint here has nylon inside. You have to put some synthetic grease on the inside. If not, the plastics inside here will perish. Now you apply your new old boot here. Oh my god. Not happening. Okay. Did happen. And voila, you have a reconditioned, maintenance safe upper control arm. Really nice.